Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right note. 3x3 or 4x4 gives reliable stick and readable space. Once chosen, clean the target surface with 70% rubbing alcohol or a dry cloth so adhesive bonds well. Now fold the note once, aligning edges precisely. Press the crease hard to make a tiny ridge. You do this because a crisp fold concentrates pressure and creates a livable hinge. This first step sets the mechanic. Once the initial crease exists, form a hinge by folding back 1/2 inch, about 1 cm, of the sticky edge and pressing it flat. That tuck becomes your anchor. Make sure you roll firm pressure along the fold with your thumb or a flat tool to maximize contact between adhesive and paper. Next, position the hinge on the top edge of the target surface so the note face is visible and easy to remove. You do this to combine peel resistance with convenient reading orientation. Now place the note by aligning the hinge exactly where you want it. Press outward from the center to smooth air pockets and ensure full contact. After seating, test by lifting a corner gently. If it peels too easily, press again firmly or reclean the spot and reapply. If adhesion still fails, use a thin strip of transparent tape on the hinge as a quick fix. You want reliability, so make small adjustments until the note stays put without damaging the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.